Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be going through this lot of free stuff that I got off Facebook. So, just a really quick short intro, just a quick overview of everything, and let's just get right into it. And I'll go over to the desk and show everything one by one. Okay, so now we're here at my desk. So, first off, there's this Tyco Rocky Mountain Lion caboose. It's pretty interesting. Continuing with cabooses, Lifelike Santa Fe caboose. Nothing really special, it's just a typical Lifelike caboose. Then this is, I believe, a Lifelike Union Pacific cattle car. Again, nothing much special. Then there is a Tyco cattle car. This one's definitely Tyco. It's a Durango of some sort. I don't really know what it is. It's an interesting color scheme, so it's kind of an interesting car. Then there's a Purina boxcar. I have a different, Purina Reefer. I actually have a Purina boxcar, which I bought at a train show last year, which there's a sequel to that since I went to that train show again, coming as the next video. So, see more stuff then. But yeah, this is a Purina boxcar. Kinda interesting. Then, next up, there's this Wesson tank car. It's kind of an interesting scheme. Then there's a Southern log car. I actually have one of these, but I swapped the top bulkhead part with another car so I could have a flat car. I actually have it right over here. I have another project I'm working on with this. But yeah, that's not part of the lot. This is. Then there's this, which is what I believe at one time used to be an auto rack car. Just a flat car. I can take this piece off and replace it with something, but yeah. It's kind of sad it's missing parts of it, but oh well. This one's missing an axle, but I believe this is again Lifelike, maybe? Yeah, this is a Lifelike. This is a just CB&Q boxcar. It's missing a wheel though. A few of these other cars were missing couplers and stuff. Just like this one, which is another interesting Lifelike tank car. I'm not so sure what Copper's chemicals are, but it looks interesting. And the second to last freight car of this lot, just an interesting Lifelike Santa Fe boxcar. It's also missing a coupler, so I'll have to replace that at some point. Then last on the lineup of rolling stock is this interesting, also Lifelike, I believe, L&N boxcar. There's still more to this lot. In this box, there's a lot of track and a controller. But there's also, this one's got some issues. There's this Santa Fe GP38, I believe, high hood from Lifelike. The issue with this is that, yeah, those trucks don't stay on. All their clips are broken. So, I'll have to fix that somehow. And then there's this Tyco coming around the mountain engine from Rocky Mountain Lion. It is missing its wheels, but it does have everything else in here. I've been thinking from this, since I have my Illinois Central C630, I'm not sure if I want to leave this and part it out, and just leave my Tyco 060 that I have, or if I want to part out the Illinois Central one to get this running, since it looks kind of interesting, and also be able to get the 060 running again. So that's that. I want some feedback on that in the comments. And last but not least is the powered Lifelike GP38 high hood. So yeah, I've actually tested this one already. This one runs, but yeah, I'll get the two engines over to the track, show you how this one runs, and see, even though it has no wheels, if the other one will start. So let's take this all over to the track, and not the freight cars. Okay, so it's time to test these two engines. So this first one here, I know it doesn't have any wheels, but we can still test it since it has the blocks there. Let's see, will it run? Start, do anything. Nah, it doesn't seem like it. So yeah. I don't know. Give me some advice on this. I don't know what I want to do yet. So, let's go on to the other engine. Okay, so here's the GP38 High Hood. Does run last time I ran it. Yep, there it is. The headlight's really dim on it, but it needs a little bit of work. It does indeed run. But yeah, thanks for watching. Go check out another video.